with collection framework, sir, because I have taken
Sure.
priority because some miscellaneous topics are there, but more
Okay.
than those miscellaneous topics, I want to go priority wise. Collection framework is
Mm.
very important. Let me complete these important things. At the
Okay.
end, we can discuss the the other topics leftovers. I meant to say.
Sure.
Okay, so uh, today's concept is collection framework. Collection frameworks. So there are so many classes in this collection framework and they all belong to util package. Util,
Okay.
UTIL, util package. Name of the package is util. Package name is util. So we have to import this util package like this, import
Mhm.
java dot, java dot, sorry, util, util dot star. That's it. So many variety of programs you can come across in this collection framework. Today, I want to discuss some little, simple applications. Tomorrow we will
Okay.
go with some advanced applications. So first of all, how this concept got its origin? We should know that. Why this
Right.
concept came? We are going to deal with the multiple objects. Okay, fine. Arrays concept is there. So what are the disadvantages of arrays? Can you tell? Point number one. Point number one is we cannot store different types of objects into the same array. Is it not? I mean to say
Right.
objects in the
Yes.
sense of different data types. Is it not?
Yeah.
So the definition of array itself is telling that an array consists of elements of similar type of data. Is it not?
Right.
Similar data type. Means similar is the disadvantage there. We should have some
Yeah.
dissimilar types of objects. Is it not? So that is
Yeah.
the main problem. So we cannot store different types of data, different types of objects I can call. Instead of writing data, let us call it in large sense like
Okay.
objects. Okay, so everything is in one form or the other form, they are taking object shape, isn't it?
Mm.
into the same into the same array, into the same array. We cannot store different, we cannot store different types of objects into the same array. That is the main. Interviewer may ask you, what are the advantages of collection framework? Whatever are the disadvantages of arrays, they are going to be advantages for collection
Okay.
framework. Got it?
Okay.
Just a couple are
Yes.
there. Number second one is see, if you go with an array, unfortunately size is limited, is it not?
Yeah.
You are going to specify size. For instance, if I go with 5, it is always 5 only.
Yes.
Okay, for example, the room space is say, for example, my if in your academy or whatever I say, there is a big
Mhm.
hall where 100 students you can accommodate,
Right.
but unfortunately only 40 students are there. Then the
Mm.
remaining space is waste or not?
Yes, it
You
is.
cannot shrink, is it not? If you go with an array, you
Mm.
cannot shrink. But fortunately, 1,000 students are there. You cannot grow that further.
Yes.
Isn't it? So that the capacity is fixed to 100. If it goes beyond that, no chance. If it goes below that, chance is there, but unnecessary, you are wasting resources.
Right.
So here also, that is another disadvantage with arrays. So how to mention that? Methods are not, and of course methods are not available to handle the arrays, that is also there. And of course dynamically you cannot, we cannot we cannot grow or shrink, grow or shrink an array. Okay, you cannot grow it
Okay.
spontaneously, because once you confirmed the size as 5, so the capacity will be 5 only. 5 memory slots, contiguous memory slots, I used the
Yes.
same word during arrays, contiguous, 5 contiguous memory slots will be created. In that you can accommodate either
Right.
1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. That's it. You cannot go beyond that. That is the limitation. So dynamically we cannot grow or even shrink.
Right.
Capacity is less, I want to shrink, no, it is not possible. So these are couple of disadvantages, and one more is also there actually. That is methods are not available, is it not? There are no methods. Have you seen any method in that array?
No.
I never came across any method in array, isn't it? All with for
Yes.
loops and all these things. There are no predefined methods. Java is full of methods. In arrays, there are no methods. Then why can't I go with C and C++? There also arrays concept is there. Why the hell I go with Java? Is it not?
Yes.
Student automatically can ask a question. Is it not? Student can
Yeah.
say that generally innocently they will ask some questions, but they are very critical points which we have to observe, examine. So why sir, in C I learned C, I learned C++ also. There also I came across arrays, and again in Java also you are discussing about arrays. Same program I can do in C or C++.
Right.
Isn't it? They may ask in that way. Then immediately the thing is that, see, in C and C++, there are no predefined methods. In arrays, even in Java also in arrays, there are no predefined methods. That's why we are having another concept by name collection framework, where we can have n number of variety of methods that can deal variety of situations. Okay. So methods are not available. This is the third point. I told two, but I am adding third one also. Or not. You can mention this also. No harm in mentioning this also. Available to handle the arrays. Handle the arrays. So these 3 points are going to be the features of collection framework. Okay.
Okay.
So when I'm saying these are the disadvantages of arrays, obviously these are going to be advantages for collection framework. These are the advantages. I can write advantages of array. Sorry, disadvantages of arrays. Sorry. Disadvantages of arrays, right? These are the disadvantages. So what are the advantages means? You can mention, yes, we can store different types of objects. We can store, okay, we can store different types of objects in a collection framework, and then yeah, dynamically we can grow or shrink in a collection framework. No issue. Size is unlimited. You can either grow or shrink. That's it. So memory will not be wasted. And the third is very important point, that is n number of variety methods are available to handle array situations, if any are there. Okay. These are the advantages in collection framework. And it is full of classes, interfaces, whatnot. So many are there, like classes, interfaces. So many classes are there, predefined. So many interfaces are there, class and interface already. So many are there in number. And then today, I forgot one more thing. I have added a couple of other applications in files later on. I sent notes. Can you please see afterwards? And try to execute them. You can understand. It is self-explanatory application. You can easily understand that. If any problem, please bring to my notice. Tomorrow we can discuss on that. So classes, interfaces, not only that, n number of methods are there. Okay. So this is the main feature of collection framework. Okay. Next, what is a collection object? First of all, let me draw one collection framework, how it looks. I will explain through diagram here. It is not responding. Where is that? Insert. Shapes here. Circle, oval shape. Circle is not there. Maybe there somewhere. Okay, I will do oval. What is there? So, let me draw small circles inside like this. So these are called as group of objects. I can call them as group of objects. These are all called as group of objects. I can name them as group of objects. Group of objects simply. Okay. So these are all
Okay.
group of objects. So this is a container object. You can call the top one big object as container object. I can call this. This one it can be called as container object. We call this as container object. And then or collection object, you can also call it as collection object. We will define that first. If I can draw the diagram through diagrammatically, you can easily understand the concept, then I can define pretty comfortably. Collection object. Yes. So these are all group of objects, and number of objects are there inside, and they are all enclosed inside at another big object, that is the collection object, right?
Yes.
And of course, you know the package. And whenever I am saying object, don't forget class is there at the top. Is it not? Group of classes will be there, obviously. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes. So whenever I am saying group of objects, so group of classes can be also there. And of course, collection class can be also there. They may ask you collection class also. Collection class. So how to define this? You can see. And of course, they are all present in java.util package. Util is the name of the package. Fine. So now let us define collection object. What is a collection object? And similar diagrams I can draw a number. See, this is I can tell you. Well. I can draw like that. Wait, I can represent in another way also. Wait, you can further understand easily. Wait. I just want to go with another diagram. You can easily understand with this. This is one object, and then again another object. I will draw big object here. Okay, fine. And at another one. Okay, fine. Let me draw on the top of that. Oh, it will hide these things. I cannot do this.
Yeah, we should send it back.
We have to send it back. Option is there to send?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not that much good at these things. Right click I have to do for that?
Yes.
Right click I have done.
Send to
Link
back.
to friend, send to back. So fine, great.
Yeah.
Yes. So I can call this as, I mean, internally some small objects are there in this. Wait.
Okay.
Draw further. So these are all the colored are all objects. Let us call them as objects. So here some objects are there. Here also objects you can see. Here also objects you can see. So this is a collection object. Got it?
Mhm.
This
Yes.
big circle is a collection object. I will mark them. You can understand. This is the best diagram. I have to add this also in notes. You can easily understand. And I can distinguish one from the other one in three ways. Three things you can find here. Totally three different objects you
Yes.
can find. Yes, that's what I want to
Yeah.
highlight. Of course, I am not mentioning the other two objects. They are also objects simply. Okay,
Mhm.
fine. So here I can name them like this. Wait, footer. How to get out of footer? Escape. Yeah,
Yeah.
escape will do. No, 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 no. What happened? How to move to the next page? I have place control somewhere here, I think.
Mm.
Some techniques will be there. I am not that much good in this.
Next to util, I think if we can enter.
Otherwise, next page also you can go somewhere here. Also, it is there.
Yeah.
I have to move to the next page. I just want to move to the. I want to write names for them.
Mm.
I am feeling. Mm, wait. One more is there. Wait. Once I complete diagram, you need not by heart the definition also. That much easy.
Okay.
You can do it very comfortably. It is coming. This is coming every time. How to move to the next page? Somewhere here also option will be there. Insert next page.
I think
Insert
next to
next
util we'll keep cursor and
util. If I keep
yeah,
util,
and then enter. Okay, this is
no, it will
moving.
go like that. It will go like that.
Yeah.
It's not required. I have to keep my control somewhere away from this. That I couldn't do here. I will do one thing. Wait, I got one option here. That is, I can do like this. Yes, something like this. That much big diagram
Mm.
is not required now.
Yeah.
This is better option. Yes, now I can do comfortably. I can name here itself also. Okay, fine.
Yes.
So this first one, that is an object after all. Small objects. They are all objects. And this one I can call as a collection object. Next one. Well, wait. This one. This is collection object. I can call it as
Okay.
collection object. And then in notes, I will design it properly.
Sure.
Later on, I will take my time and I want to put it in neat way. Okay, fine. Yes. And this is called as collection. Got it? That's why I'm
Okay. Okay.
see, several objects put together can be called as a
Mm.
collection object. Got it? Several
Yes.
collection objects put together will make a collection framework.
Okay.
How easy it is. If you can remember this
Yes.
diagram, you can define those two. That's it. Done. So
Okay.
several objects put together will make a collection object, and several collection objects put together will make a collection framework. That's it.
Right.
And whenever I am
Yeah.
defining object, obviously you can define class also, not an issue.
Yeah.
Class definition, pretty simple. Yeah, now I got the other piece. Yeah. So now I will define, see how to define collection object. Okay, then text problem. That is okay. Yes. Collection object. Let us define this. Some questions will be coming from this collection framework also in interviews generally.
Okay.
Collection object, or you can also call it as container object. That is also correct. Container
Okay.
object is an object that stores a group of other objects. Okay, that stores
Okay.
a group of other objects. let me clarify myself. Whenever I am explaining program and whenever I am explaining theory, what kind of differences can you find? Which is better from my side? Can you comment? Theory or programs?
I think
How do you judge?
theory is better
Uh,
because programs usually is practical and there is not much to talk and show.
why? Why? Every line we have to talk.
Because
Uh,
yes, but not much. You're just as a student, we look at that and we can understand a little bit. But theory is not like that.
okay. So from my side,
Yeah,
I
so
mean,
I feel
uh,
yeah, I both are good,
hmm,
but I like your way of theory, explaining
uh-huh,
theory.
mhm. But I don't know
Yeah, because programming,
how to make use of Word, MS Word. I don't know that much. But your rating explanation is good in theory. Okay.
yes,
Okay.
because I am
Uh,
not looking at MS Office,
yeah.
whatever.
Okay. Okay.
But when you explain without MS Office only, I can understand. So that's how simple it is.
Okay. And coming to
Yeah.
programs, any problems are there?
No, sir. Programs too. You do variety of programs and you take it slow. So I'm happy with both.
Okay. 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 If
Yeah,
anyone is
because I'm comparing you to my other tutors,
okay. Okay.
and I don't like their theory. So that's why I'm rating your theory better.
Theory, when you are talking mostly on theory, and
Yes.
you are not reading on programs, variety of programs.
Programs too, that's what I said.
Uh-huh.
In comparison with other
Uh-huh,
tutors,
uh-huh.
I rate your
Okay.
theory higher.
Okay. Okay.
Otherwise, I like as a subject Java because I'm a fresher, but still I liked it.
Okay. Okay.
So most of the credit should go to you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
So maybe in programs I have to improvise. It seems you are not satisfied.
No, no, I am satisfied.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay. 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 So collection object or container object is an object that stores a group of other objects. And of course,
Okay.
collection class you can easily define as well.
Mm.
Collection class. So a collection class, or let us start in a similar way. Collection class or container class. You can also call as container class.
Okay.
Is a class whose object stores same a group of other objects. Same definition you can give. Stores a group of, or otherwise you can write a group of other classes. You cannot write collection class or container class is a class whose objects. Yeah. See, collection class or container class. So whenever I say class will be having object or not,
Yes,
right? Yeah.
it will.
So here also
Yeah.
see collection class or container class is a class whose object, its object is going to store a group of other objects. Got it?
Yes.
Yes. Here also same thing. Collection object or container object is an object that stores a group of other objects simply. Here
Yeah.
also I can write same definition, no change. Because an object is going to come whenever some ideas are there, whenever a class exists.
Right.
That's why a group of other objects. So whenever you are strong in these theoretical issues, obviously programs will become much simpler.
Yes.
Is it not?
Yeah.
So without knowing all
Yeah,
these
that's
things,
what I meant to comment too.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
First, see, first foundation stone should be laid strongly. Na?
Right.
The foundation,
Yes.
every building will be having foundation. Just like that, every class will be having the foundation work somewhere in theory only. If you follow
True.
them wisely, then you can build big applications.
Yes.
Big constructions can happen. That's it. Next, one interview question. What is a collection framework? Collection framework. What is a collection framework? So it is a class library. It is a class
Okay.
library. class. Immediately you may ask which library. Yeah, that util package is there now.
Yeah.
That's it. It is a class library to handle group of objects. Group of objects. See, in the diagram also you can see collection framework. It is going to handle
Yes.
group of objects, is it not?
Yes.
Using using a very big library where so many n number of classes, subclasses, interfaces, whatnot, everything is present. So
Okay.
it is a class library to handle group of objects. And of course, it is implemented in, and all these collection framework is implemented in,
Util package.
yeah, framework is implemented in java.util package. Util package. Just a minute, I will charge this.
Sure.
Yes. Fine. So that is the definition of that. Otherwise, you can also say simply remembering the diagram, a collection framework is a collection of several collection objects. Several collection objects put together can make a collection framework. That is also valid.
Right.
Several collection objects. Several collection objects. Let me write CO. Okay. Put together. Put together makes a collection framework. Collection framework. Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
That is another definition. And now, what are the concepts discussed in this? Let us discuss about the concepts in that. Number one, you can categorically divide them as sets and then lists. These are the forthcoming topics. Lists.
Okay.
And of course, the third one, maps. You should know. These are the main aspects of collection framework, main things present in collection framework. You can categorically divide into sets, lists, and maps. Sets, lists, and maps. So immediately all are interview questions. So many interview questions are there here also. What is a set? Interviewer may ask you, what is a set?
Yeah.
Yes. So what is a set? A set represents a group of elements like an array, just like an array, a group of elements.
Okay.
But like an array, I am saying, means what is the difference? Yeah, difference is there. First, we have to talk about similarity. Then only we have to talk about dissimilarity. Is it not?
Right.
So let us talk good first. Then we can talk with some differences and whatever it is. So a set represents a group of elements. It represents group of elements. Group of elements like an array. Like an array. Okay, fine. But unlike an array, a set can have different types of elements and methods in it. Got it?
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
But unlike an array, because in array you are not having variety of things. Only
Right.
1D, 2D, same for loop, same concept. But here, but unlike an array, here is a set can have a set. Sorry, a set can have. A set can have different types of elements. Different types of elements. Different types of elements. Okay, fine. And methods also. Don't forget. And methods also. Methods also. I covered all this point earlier also somewhere here, defining these disadvantages of array. Is it not?
Yes.
Different methods and different types of objects. Yes, same from there only. I am drawing this definition for set. Okay, and methods also. Methods also. Okay, fine. Let us give some examples. The kind of programs which you are going to do in sets are, number one, hash set. You have to remember hash set. It's a predefined class. Okay. And then second one, that is linked hash set. Linked hash set. And the next one is tree set. Tree set. These are the three things which we are going to cover in sets. Hash set,
Okay.
linked hash set, tree set. Predefined classes are all are. Next, let us discuss about list. What is a list? Of course, same definition like set you can talk, but interviewer may ask you, what is the difference between a set and a list? Of course, list is also a group of elements like an array, but unlike an array, same definition you can write. But then what is the difference between set and list? You are going to ask me or not?
Yes.
Is it not? So I am telling that list is also having same definition. In place of set, you write list. But what is the difference between set and a list? That is going to be an interview question. Set does
Right.
not allow duplicate values. Got it? Here comes the
Okay.
difference. Yeah. Set, otherwise both are same, but whenever
Okay.
duplicacy is concerned, then comes the difference. Sets does not allow duplicate values. Duplicate values. But lists can allow. But
Duplicate
yeah,
values.
exactly. This can allow. That's the difference. That is the difference between, that is an important interview question. What is the difference between set and list? Both are
List.
similar, but one difference
Yeah.
is there. That is the only difference. So sets does not allow duplicate value. Duplicate means nothing. For example, see, uh, in a class there are some students, 100 students, or there are 50 students are there. So repetition of names are not allowed. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
if you want to deal with repetition of students, then don't opt sets. I mean to say, if repetitions are not there, then don't opt list. Go for sets, because sets does not allow duplicate values. So if
Right.
repetitions are there, for example, one person name is Rahul, another person name is also Rahul, or three Rahuls are there out of 50, and three Vijay's are there, and five Rajesh are there, then don't opt set, because sets does not
Okay.
allow duplicate values. The obvious choice is
Right.
going to be lists in that case. That is the only area where you can differ with a set. Okay,
Okay.
that is a difference. And interviewer may ask you in a tricky way also, something like which of the collection classes does not allow duplicate values or duplicate data? They may ask you like this: which of the collection classes does not allow duplicate values or duplicate data? Simple answer is, which is not allowing? Sets.
Set.
Set
Yeah.
doesn't allow. Very simple answer. So which of the collection classes? You may get confused. Oh, so many classes are there, which I have to tell? No need to
Yeah.
go with that. Only three I have told: sets, lists, maps. So among them, sets cannot allow duplicate values or duplicate data. And that is all about lists. And the examples which we cover in lists, let me put it here. Examples for that. So number one, linked list. We are going to cover linked list. Okay.
Okay.
Then we are going to cover array list. And then we are going to cover vectors. Vector. Okay, these are the classes which we are going to cover in that. And the third one is maps. What are maps? A map stores elements in the form of key value pairs. This is the important word which you have to use. Key value pairs. So what are key value pairs? I will explain. I will tell you a small example. You can easily understand the concept. In examples also, we will see similar things like, so every house will be having, generally we call birua. You know,
Right, right.
In
Yes.
Telugu, we Telugu people call it as birua,
Yes.
right? So every house
Yes.
will be having a birua, right?
Mm-hmm.
But for example, A, B, C are there persons by name A, B, C. A
Okay.
cannot, I mean, A is different, B is different, and I mean, C is also different. And all these people are having biruas in their houses.
Okay.
They're unknown to each other. So A cannot open B's birua or B cannot open C's birua, is it not?
True.
Or C
Yes.
cannot open A's birua or A cannot open C's birua, isn't it?
Right.
Because
Yeah.
why all are biruas only? Why? Because keys are different keys.
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in A, some money may be there. In B, B's birua, some money may be there. In C's birua, some gold or money may be there.
Mm-hmm.
That I mean, that property may be different, and the keys will be
Yeah.
also different. And every property will be having an appropriate key. Is it not?
Okay.
Even
Yeah.
registered properties are also having some numbers. You know,
Right.
some authorized persons will be having those documents, and so many witnesses are there.
Okay.
So that is why
Yeah.
here also, even for example, dictionary, I can take a dictionary as an example. In dictionary, how do
Mm.
you pick or dictionary? Yeah, dictionary I can take. Like telephone dictionary, I can take. For example, if you
Okay.
want to catch my phone number, how do you catch?
Mm-hmm.
So many Srinivas are available. Then you have to
Yeah.
look for surname, isn't it?
Right.
Then
Yes.
obviously you can find. And my mobile number is unique, is it not?
Yes. Yeah.
That's it. And every mobile number is unique. Just by typing mobile number, you can get only my name, full name, everything, my address, everything you will get, isn't it?
Right.
That's it. So every value will be having some key. Got it?
Yes.
And similarly, cricket matches, we know, generally they will show
Right.
scores, na scores.
Yeah.
So, in my era, Sunil Gavaskar, how much he scored in tests, or Sachin
Yeah.
Tendulkar, how many he scored in tests or one days. Just by typing their name, they are getting data, is it not?
Yes.
At that particular point, how which score he has done on that particular event, how much he scored on that particular day.
Right.
They can easily get that information because they are able to get key. So once they place the key, they will get the value like that.
Yes. Okay.
So that is all possible using maps. So simple
Okay.
technique is key value pairs. And a couple of classes we are going to discuss in this maps. The examples are, these are the examples. One is hash table, hash table. Some standard applications we will do. Sorry, T small
Okay.
letter to T small letter. We have to remember very few classes are there like that.
Yeah.
Actually, I am tempted to write capital, but I again
Mm.
recollected that T small letter. And then the next one is hash map. Here both are caps. Hash map. Sorry, hash HA. Hash map. These two are couple of classes present in maps.
Maps.
Okay.
Okay.
And other than this, other than these three concepts by name sets, lists, and maps, there are some miscellaneous what we call classes present in util package. They are, number one is string tokenizer. String tokenizer. Okay, string tokenizer is one class we will do on that. Today I won't discuss anything about sets, maps, and lists. Today I will discuss about
Okay.
string tokenizer. I can complete that first.
Sure.
And then of course calendar is there. Calendar. I try to complete these two today. Miscellaneous applications. Okay.
Okay.
Very simple one because a lot of theory we have discussed. Let us go to applications
Mm.
straight away. For string tokenizer and calendar, I will discuss now. Okay.
Okay.
So is it useful or okay? Let me put it side. No problem. If useful, I will make notes of that. So let me talk about string tokenizer. You forget the sets, lists, and maps. Later on, I will
Yeah.
cover those things. String tokenizer. You should be careful with spelling and that combination.
Yeah.
Tokenizer. Yes, that is the spelling. So it is a predefined class and it is used to cut a string into pieces, to
Okay.
chop or cut, or simply to say cut a string. See, the name itself is telling string tokenizer. Token is a small
Tokenizer, yeah.
part. Token is nothing but small part. In Java, C, C++ also tokens are there. Tokens means small units, values. For example,
Right.
int, for example, I write like this, see, int a is equal to 8. How many tokens are there? Data type can be called as a token. That variable name, identifier can be called as a token. That operator is there, na, is equal to can be called as a
Yeah.
token. And that 8 called as a value can be also called as a token. Means small parts of a program can be called as tokens. And
Token.
this
Yeah.
string tokenizer is going to cut only strings. Cut a
Strings,
string,
yes.
yeah. Cut a string into parts, small pieces or parts. It just chops the string into parts. So according to your requirement, according to programmer's requirement, it is going to chop. Wherever you want that cut, you can cut. That's it.
Okay. Is this a parameterized?
Yeah. I will explain. Some steps are there. Let me
Sure.
explain the steps. In that you are going to get whether any parameterizer constructor is there or not. Yeah, parameterizer constructor is there. We will see that. Simply breaking a string into small pieces called as tokens.
Yeah.
First step, same procedure we will implement during program also. First, to create an object. To create an object. To create an object to string tokenizer. That is the first step which we are going to do. String tokenizer. That is the first step. So to create an object to string tokenizer is the first step. Then second step. And let me also create that object. How to create an object, you know.
Yeah. String tokenizer.
I will write here itself.
ST. Yeah.
Tokenizer. String tokenizer. ST is equal to new string tokenizer.
Okay.
Tokenizer. Okay, fine. And it is a parameterized. You are asking, na? It is a first argument is going to be string. Whichever string you declare, na, that variable. String str is equal to, you write something now earlier.
Yes.
Str you have to pass. The other one is delimiter. We call it as delimiter. Delimiter means based on what criteria you want to cut the string. For example, I am learning Java. I am learning Java in Bangalore. So how you are going to chop? Wherever space is there, I want to cut. Means something like this.
Okay.
Or wherever comma is there, I want to cut. That's it.
Okay.
That much simple the task is. So let me call that as delimiter. Technical word which we use is delimiter. Okay.
Okay.
So wherever the delimiter, whatever delimiter you mention, based on that criteria, you are going to chop. And that delimiter can be a comma. I will write here like this. Delimiter. Delimiter can be a comma, can be a semicolon, can be a colon, like that, etc. That's it. Whichever way you want to chop, you can chop. That's it. Got it?
Yes.
Comma means separator operator. It is also an operator. Second one. Second point. Then there is a method. There is a method. I will mention that for the purpose of to find the next piece. To find the, because after chopping, you want to find the next piece now. First you cut the a little portion of that. Then I want to move to the next part. So there is a method for that. Because you are going to loop that or something like that. You are going to take a while loop and you are going to use this method to chop the next portion. Isn't it? Automatic. Nowadays, everything is automatic. Here also, automatic chopping will be done. So for that automatic purpose, there is a method which we are going to use here to the next piece. To the next piece in the string, of course. In the string, that is string piece is equal to ST is the object now, which we have created earlier.
Mm-hmm.
The reference holding the object. Am I right? ST is the reference holding
Yes.
the object. That is string tokenizer object. ST dot next token. Very easy to remember also. See how simple.
Okay. Yeah.
Next token. It will go to the next one. It will chop that one also. That's it. Got it?
Yes.
Third one. If any more tokens are there or not, I want to check to know if more pieces are remaining. I want to check. Okay. To know, we apply all these things in our application to know if more pieces are remaining. What to do? What to do for remaining, R-E-M-A-I-N-I-N-G, remaining. What to do? So to know if more pieces are remaining, are there any other pieces remaining or not? If you ask, I have to say yes or no, na?
Yeah.
Means Boolean value, true or false.
Boolean. Yeah.
So let me go with Boolean. That's why. If I directly tell program without this explanation, it is very difficult for you to understand, is it not? That's why
Right. Yes.
telling this part. Boolean x is equal to st dot has more tokens. Has
Okay.
M capital letter. Very simple English only. Has more tokens. That's it. Done. Got it? It's a Boolean value.
Yeah.
It either returns true or false. That's it.
Okay.
And you want to count the number of tokens. At last you want to count number of pieces being done. Yeah, it is also there.
Yes.
Count tokens is there. So to know how many.
Sir, you're typing in the wrong line.
To know how many tokens, to know how many number of pieces, to know how many number of pieces are there, number of pieces, for example, to know how many number of pieces or otherwise are there. I want to calculate that. For that purpose, you have to write like this. So number means obviously what is the type of data which are
Integer.
Yeah, int. That's it. Int number
Okay.
is equal to st dot count tokens. That's it. How simple.
Okay.
That's it. It will calculate that.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Same kind of applications if you want to do in C or C++, I have to maintain at least a couple of Jendu bombs in my house. That much headache will be there. But here so many
Okay.
pre-designed, ready-made. Ready-made is always
Yeah.
simple, no?
Yes.
I can purchase 10 dresses going to any mall here, but to stitch it is always difficult.
True.
I have to go to some other place,
Yes.
do all those things. Yeah. So let us go to basic application on this straight away. Already I have created this collection framework. Let us go with the first application. So cutting a string into slices, into pieces, first application. Select it is not open. No. Reacted lately. String demo. String tokenizer demo. I am writing. Yes, main method is there. Fine. So what is the first step? Import.
Create an object.
Import.
Oh, yes. Util package.
I told now
Yeah.
all these things are present in which package? Import. I told earlier.
Util.
Yeah, we are
Yeah.
discussing about util package. See,
Right. Right.
top itself I have mentioned.
Yes.
So that is mandatory. This time to load this. Very simple applications.
Okay.
First step is import java dot util dot star. And one more class is there, I forgot telling you, scanner. Scanner is also there, I forgot. Today I will
Okay.
not cover. Tomorrow also little bit calendar and scanner I will cover. After calendar,
Sure.
another one is there called as scanner. Scanner. That is also there.
Okay.
Fine. Yes, inside that, I want to take a string. You know how to take a string? You know, take a string. How to take a string? String class is there, na? String data type is there, na?
Yes.
String str is equal to I am learning Java. I am Java. That's it. So that is a very small string which I have taken. Okay, fine. Now cut the string into pieces. That's it. Cut the string into pieces wherever there is a space. Okay.
Okay.
Wherever there, that is a criteria. There is a
Right.
space. That is the criteria which I mentioned. So copy paste same code which I have done earlier in Notepad. What is the
Yeah.
step? This is a step now.
Right.
See, if you are strong here, you can copy and paste there. That's it.
Right.
See, this comment is there now. This documentation, big companies, if you go for a job in a big company, in big companies, generally like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, generally they will provide all the documentation. Documentation is nothing
Okay.
but comments now.
Oh, yeah.
If they can provide comments, see what I'm doing. I'm good in theory, so I'm copying and
Yeah.
pasting that. That's it. Little adjustments
Sure.
I will make. What is that adjustment? I know what is that. That's it.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay.
So that is coding. But if you go for a small company, they won't give all these comments. They will give output
Yeah.
only to you. They will give output. I want this. By the end of the day, they will tell. That's it.
Okay.
Right, from operating system installation, everything we have to do, and we can get a lot of work of our own.
Mm.
Working for
Yeah.
a small company, maybe we are getting less amount, maybe we are doing more efforts, but as a beginner, it is always good to work for
Yes.
a small
Yes.
company. You can learn so
Very
many
true.
things. You can learn so many things.
Yeah.
Then you can try for big company. Then you can become a boss, obviously. That's it.
Yes.
But straight away, if you go for a big company, the thing is that you may be on the bench for a while, is it not?
Yeah.
So you may be waiting
Yes.
for your turn, and whenever your turn comes, your coding becomes much simpler. But provided you know basics again,
Yeah.
of course, to clear the interview without knowing basics, nobody can clear, of course.
Yes.
Sure. So then you can code, but at some point of time, you will be under testing also. Every time
Mm.
you
True.
need to provide documentation. At times you are being required to show your creativity, is it not?
Yeah. Yes.
So we should have some all-round work going on. Yes. Next, how to retrieve. Yeah, it is cut now. Cut. Right?
Yeah.
Cutting is done. Now, how to retrieve the pieces? Retrieve. I'm adding theory here also in the
Yeah.
applications. That's why you can easily understand. Retrieve the pieces and display. How to do this? How to do this? Let me display one small message first of all before doing the actual task. That is because I want to get into while loop. If I place this, it will iterate a number of times,
Mm.
isn't it? That's why I'm putting the
Yes.
simple statement top of the while loop. The tokens are, yes, that's it. Done. Now, let me move to the while loop. Before moving into while loop, check whether tokens are there or not.
Okay.
If at all token really is there, then only I enter into the while loop. Is it not? Otherwise,
Yeah.
meaningless. There is no meaning in entering otherwise. Checks whether tokens are there or not. Are there or not? So how to check? While, yes. Now comes your coding again handy. What is that? Has more tokens. Got it?
Right.
See this,
Yeah.
it is, yeah, here. This code finds handy now. So has more tokens. Yes, I will write here.
Tokens.
After copying, I will write st dot. What is that? Has more. If at all
Tokens.
tokens are there, then only you can get inside. Has
Yeah.
more tokens, then you get inside. Obviously, it is a method. So you have to write like that. And then what to do? So let us get inside then. So once you got inside, you display the
Display.
tokens. Wait.
Yes.
One statement is there. Even brace is not required. Directly I can write now.
Yeah.
I want to just mention only one token. That is, I want to move to the next token. How to move? Because see, first of all,
Next
we have to get
token.
inside. Yeah, st dot next token.
Next token.
Token. Yes, that's it. Done. Program is over. Let us execute this. Chopped, na? The tokens are chopped.
Yeah.
But if I give like this, what is going to happen? Let me check that also. Fine.
Hmm.
But
Yeah.
but no use in doing like that. All the tokens again are joined.
Yeah.
Again are joined, is it not?
Yes.
I should go with this. That is good option. Otherwise, I have to give tab space. This is better option. That is only better. This is better. Yeah. Now you can see the effect. The tokens are, yes. Next.
Stopped. Yes.
So what it is doing, this, the job of this you understood already. It is,
Yes.
see, whenever you are doing this, a parameter, you can believe that a parameterized constructor is invoked, is it not?
Yes. Yeah.
Because I told you, na, till now, whichever programs we have done, every program consists of a parameterized, a default constructor. I mean, and of course, here also default constructor is there, and of course, a parameterized constructor is also there. String tokenizer
Yes.
by name. String tokenizer is the name of the parameterizer constructor, and you are just required to create object for that. Being a predefined one, you need not design that string tokenizer constructor.
Yes.
It's all defined well, and your job is just creating object for that. That's what I have done here.
Yes.
And obviously, a couple of arguments I passed. And in place of this, if I put any comma, and if I put comma here and there, see what I'm doing. See, that's it. Got it?
Yeah.
Now I want to do this. See, wait. Some space I have given here. Let us not allow space. Got it? Comma. Wherever comma is there,
Yes. Hmm.
chop that. That's it. That's it. Done.
Okay. Yeah. Yes.
And a single quote can be also given. Single quote is there now?
Hmm.
And single quote and comma, both I want. Comma. Not comma. Wait. Single quote, comma. Yes. Some space I may be required. Yeah. Yeah. Now see what is going to happen. Yeah. I is separated
Okay.
from M.
Hmm.
I and M are separated.
Yes.
Generally, I read I am like that. So I is separated from M, taking the criteria of single quote as given in the delimiter, part of delimiter argument. Is it not? And then,
Yeah.
of course, comma is also considered. That's it. Done. Things are working. That's it. So that is how we do this. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can do further applications. You can chop in any ways. And then I have to go with
Okay.
the scanner class. Scanner, it may take little time. Let me go with the
Okay.
calendar class today. Calendar is a simple approach.
Sure.
Tomorrow I will go with scanner.
Okay.
It is an alternative approach for your buffer reader, new input. For that,
Yeah.
it is an alternative arrangement. I'll go with the calendar class as the next application. So calendar demo. Mail मध्ये दिसते. don't forget importing the package at the top. util.star. Done. Now inside main method, what to do? Calendar product. Okay. First of all, I will write one code. Calendar CL is equal to calendar dot get instance.
Okay.
Instance. So this is a, I mean, yeah, that is get instance. Wait, I'll explain it. So this is a factory method. I can tell you this is a factory method. I explained factory method before? Never?
No, yeah.
Factory method. That get instance is there, na?
Yes.
That get instance can be called as a factory method. Generally, how to invoke a factory method? You know static methods, you know non-static methods.
Yes.
We know these things we know. But now a third type of method is coming, that is a static method. What are static, I'm sorry, factory methods.
Factory.
Factory
Yeah.
method. What are factory methods? So generally factory methods you invoke like this. How to invoke, you know? Generally majority factory methods are static methods. Okay, point number
Okay.
one. Point number one is
Mm-hmm.
majority static methods are, majority factory methods are
Factory.
static methods.
Static.
Yeah. So class name dot you have to invoke like that, and that should be referred.
Okay.
You are able to create an object, and also you are able to invoke the same. That is the advantage. See, only
Okay.
one line I have written, but I have done multiple tasks here. What are they? You know, point number one, I created object
Right.
being referred by CL without using new operator. Got it?
Right. Yes.
Without using new operator, this is the style of creating an object. That is
Okay.
possible whenever you deal with a factory method.
Sure.
Okay, whenever you are invoking a factory method, obviously majority cases they will be static methods, factory methods.
Yes.
Whenever you invoke that, obviously automatically an object will be created. That can be referred according to your wish, like CL, which I have done here. Okay,
Yes.
that is point number one, automatic object creation. Point number two, you are able to invoke the method also.
Right.
In one line, two tasks are achieved, isn't it? So I
Yes.
will write a comment here about factory method. Factory method is used in the above statement. Above statement and object. And object is created. That's what I
Created.
mean. An object is created without using new operator, is it not?
Yes.
Without using new operator, I am able to create an object. Great, na?
Right.
It's not our greatness, they have done like that. So
Yeah.
they have introduced James Gosling, the inventor. So they have introduced factory methods in Java. The advantage is that dual purpose, multi-purpose statement. One is you are able to create an object without using new operator, and the other thing is you are able to invoke the method at the same point of time. Got it?
Right.
That is the
Yes.
yes. So that I have done, and this calendar is an interface actually. As a matter of fact, this is an interface. You know,
Okay.
class is there, interface is also there in calendar. Both are there.
Okay.
This is the interface which we have created a reference, because to an interface you can only create a reference, isn't it?
Reference. Yes.
That's what I have done here. I have not created any object for calendar, but this is the object. This is the object which is created, and that is invoked by that is represented by the reference CL. That's it. It is
Yes.
not calendar
Okay.
object, but nevertheless.
Okay.
Now system date and time, by default I want to see what is the purpose of calendar object. I will write here, otherwise I will write the purpose.
Okay.
Calendar object I told you now, calendar class is there, interface is there, both are there.
Yes.
And here you are able to create object for calendar class, this one. And on the other
Mm-hmm.
hand, this is the interface for which you have created a reference.
Reference. Yes.
Yes. Calendar object contains, because calendar object contains date and time, calendar object
Okay.
contains system date. Date in the sense, my system, it depends upon my system battery and all these things.
Okay.
System, system date and a time, by default, by default. By default. That's it. Let me go with the C++ comment.
Okay.
Done. Okay, that is the meaning of that. And then now I want to get to the details. Wait, not here. Okay, fine. Let me come out of that. Why this is created? It is not required. Right. Now, I just want to get the details, whichever I have done till now. Get the
Okay.
details. So I will make a comment like this. Get to the date details. Get the date details. First one, date. Date means it is an integer. Today is
Yes.
30, I believe. dd. Okay, that's date.
Yes.
dd is equal to
Okay.
that reference cl dot get is the method. Get,
Okay.
non-static method get. Inside that, there is a static final variable by name date. Okay, there is a see,
Okay.
automatically it is showing field. Got it? Fields means
Yeah.
static variables. Yes, static and final variable date present in calendar class. How to invoke? Calendar dot, see, all in caps. See, it is displaying.
Right.
Deprecated is not a deprecated one, I believe. Yeah, done.
Okay.
So date. So if you can call that a date, then only you can get date inside dd. How to call that? By using get method.
Okay.
Get is a parameterizer method. Okay. So calendar dot date. Just a minute. I will send a message to my students. One class I
Sure.
joined at 5 p.m. I will postpone to 5:30 today. Just give me
Okay.
a second. I'll send a message. Just a minute. Here itself I can send this. They may be knocking the door from 5 minutes before itself. That's why let me send a message. These are my old students actually.
Okay.
Around about 10 students are there. I formed a group for them. Python students.
Okay.
Started something. Today, can we have class at 5:30? Today, can we have class at 5:30? And after that, girl, Singapore class is there. After that, night C class is there one. That is my schedule
Okay.
here onwards.
Hmm.
Today, can we have class at 5:30 p.m.? Yeah, right. Done. Okay, fine. See how to invoke. Why I'm doing this? Get is a method. We know that. So using get, you can do
Right.
variety of things. Like you can get month, you can get a date, you can get a year also.
Okay.
But the style is very simple. See what I'm doing. How simple it is. See, I copied multiple times. Next time I want month. Okay,
Okay.
got it. Now what to change? You can tell. I need not tell.
Yeah. End of instead of date month.
Yes. Means get is the method for all these things, and it is a parameterizer.
Okay.
And what is the argument? Argument is nothing but a field. Fields, na?
Right.
Date, month, date. These are all fields. Date, month, year. The other one is year, of course. These are all static and final variables called as fields, and they are all present in the class calendar. So obviously you have to invoke like that, and in this
Yeah.
YY, that's it, done, done. Okay, but month you should be you should take little care regarding this month. I will show you later on.
Okay.
You have to add this. Why? I will tell you, I let you know that. You can say, I need not say, you can say that later on by saying that output and all these things. Now done, everything done. Now let me
Yeah.
display SYSO.
So we have extra closing, I think,
We will do that, we will do that. Where it is, where?
in both DD, MM, YY
Mm,
end.
yeah, yeah. C is there now. C is also looking to be
Yeah.
yeah. Near things I cannot see that much good now.
Okay. Okay.
40 plus now, that is a problem.
Yeah.
But when driving, I never use spectacles, but only when
Okay.
seeing closer things, I am using spectacles.
Okay.
Yeah, right, fine. Done, everything done. Yeah, simply we'll get the output when displaying this, is it not?
Yes.
And let me do another thing. That is not only this, I want to get I want to get in a different style like DD, MM, like that.
Okay.
I will put like this, current date, colon. I want to display in a different style like this, like DD concatenation within double quotes. You display, sometimes you display like this, na, this style, slash
Yeah.
style. That style I want now.
Okay.
And then they are sending messages. Sir, fine, sir, but we all should have a fixed timing. Okay, fixed timing plus slash uh, plus YY. Done. We will get
Yeah.
DD, we will get MM, we will get YY, we will get in between. We can get slashes. That's it.
Yeah.
Now get the time and date. Time and date also you can do now. Get the time, get the time and date. Get the time and a date. Time is again integer, again r.
Right.
The r, minute and second also I can get. Int h is equal to cl dot, again get. Okay, get method only I'm using. Very simple.
Okay.
Copy and paste otherwise. Calendar dot r. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
It's displaying. See, that's it, done. Same step again. That's it. R, minute, second. This is minute,
Okay.
minute. And the last one is second. Sorry. That should be in cap now.
Yeah.
Yes. And the last one is second. Very easy to remember these fields also.
Yes.
That's it. That is the greatness of Java. They have designed like that. Everything.
Mm.
Spoon fed almost all. And this is according to your will and wish. That is variable after all. Yes, I can give.
Yeah.
Now I want to display the current time as well. Current time. Let me copy this statement. Current time. You can understand next what I'm going to do. So I would like to display the same statement but little changes I will make here. Like first one is R.
R.
And you can mention time. Time doesn't look good if you write like this. It is better now for time.
Yeah. Better.
Here also it is better if I put like this. And these are nothing but M and S. M and S. Done?
Yeah.
Done. Done. Display. You can display now. But it is showing mistake again. Calendar. Same.
Same closing.
Copy
Yeah.
paste. That is why we got problem. Done. Any other mistakes?
Yes.
Done. Those 10 students are my previous students in college, junior college.
Okay.
And I left the college, but I am getting from college amount. I'm getting from college indirectly. Management is not giving,
Yeah.
students are giving me. The only difference is I am landed in the city in place of campus. That is the only difference.
Yeah.
Yesterday you have seen cars, na?
Yeah.
They all
I
belong to
did.
Sanjay Gudavat. Sanjay Gudavat. You heard about that? Star
Okay.
product. Star. You can Google it out later on. Star.
Hmm.
Star Rice is there.
Okay.
Star. So many brands are there. Civil aviation is also there. Flights. Star flights are also there.
Yes.
Very big enterprise. Is one of the
Hmm.
biggest business magnets in India. Star is the product
Hmm.
name. You can get Star products in departmental stores also.
Yeah.
Yes. Generally every year during December he will put all his 30-20 cars are there, all
Okay.
royal cars. He will put bikes also, bikes, cars he will put for a couple of weeks.
Okay.
We all use them. That's it. That's why I told na, car is not mine, coat is mine. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, done.
Yeah.
Very simple, nothing to explain in this, almost all.
Yes.
Yes. Tomorrow we will meet, sir.
Except for the plus mm, sir.
Yeah. What is today's month? I forgot about that. Ninth month, na?
Yeah. Ninth month.
Let
Yes.
me make a comment, see what is going to happen. See what is going to happen. Yes, see. What is that?
Oh, it is showing last month.
Means what could have happened? Tell me. That calendar dot month, what exactly it is going to do for you? What favor it is going to do? Tell me.
It is going to get the month that is already over.
No. See. Indexing starts from zero. You guess in that way. January is zero.
Ah, okay.
Got
Okay.
it?
Okay.
Means
Yes.
you have
Yes.
to give
Yes.
one increment for that. That's it. I too don't know.
Right. Right.
No
Okay.
book they will write. Common sense. That's it. In the beginning, I
Okay.
tried to. In the beginning of my career, I can tell you, I am like you. In my days,
Hmm.
some 18, 16, 17 years back, I am telling. Just 1 year, I struggled for not 1 year. Couple of months, I struggled in the beginning. Like
Okay.
I asked students, it will happen. They design like that. That's it. It happened because I had no
Okay.
other go. In books I studied, I explored a lot, but I cannot find any solution for that.
Yeah.
Then I thought, why it is happening like that? Indexing, we know indexing, area, arrays, and all
Right.
these things we explored. Na? Then I applied common sense. Maybe it might be starting from zero. That's why we have to give
Right.
one odd to that. Even if it is January currently, I have to give plus plus. Otherwise, it will
Right.
show 0th month. Is it not?
Yeah.
That's it simply. Now it will.
Okay.
And plus plus also can get run here. Let me check that. Why not pre-increment? You can go with post-increment also.
Mhm.
I told na pre-post increments earlier.
Yeah.
Will it work? Fine, working great.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
anything will work. That's it.
Okay.
Teachability is important. Anything will work fine. That's it. Right? So tomorrow we
Okay.
will see, sir.
Sure, sir.
I've
Yeah.
taken extra off almost all we covered for 1.5 hours.
Yeah, we did.
Done 1.5 hours. Yeah. That's enough for today.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank